Welcome to this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-story townhouse in Garden Grove. The first level features 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath. This home has newer wood floors, crown molding, scraped ceilings, can lights, ceiling fans in every room, shutters, and custom window treatments on all of the sliders. The washer and dryer is located on the first floor near the 2 bedrooms. Notice there are new doors throughout the home. Here is a remodeled bathroom on the first floor. Head upstairs to view the 3rd bedroom, the primary suite. This huge bedroom does not share any walls with your neighbors. It also has scraped ceiling, canned lights, the ceiling fan, a remodeled bathroom, custom window treatments on the slider, and the newer wood floors. If you are looking to buy a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car detached garage, please give me a call or text me at 714-931-3158. I look forward to hearing from you.